Now I'm going to be giving you guys a tip on how you can create custom ringtones and notification sounds for the Galaxy S24. Now, whenever I get a new phone, this is always one of the first things that I change. And to do this, it's easy for the ringtone option, but for notifications, it's a little bit more complicated. But anyways, the first thing you want to do here is go into your settings. Then you want to scroll down to where it says sounds and vibrations. And you're going to see you've got the two options, ringtone right underneath it, notification sound. When we click on ringtone, it's pretty simple though. There's a little plus icon in the top right hand corner. So you just tap that and just allow access, and it'll pull up any, downloaded tracks that you have on your S24. And then you can do it that way. But if we go back to notification sounds, you're going to notice that there is no plus icon in here. And every time Samsung's released a phone or done an update, nothing's changed here. So like if you want to do custom notification sounds, you got to take it a step further. So what we want to do here is go into your settings and find your app drawer and go into the Samsung folder, and you're going to see the My Files option. Now, when you click on My Files, what you want to do is scroll down to internal storage, and you want to select Essentials to All. The next thing you want to do is go into your download section. And typically this is where you're going to have your downloaded music. You want to hold down on it. You then want to click Move at the bottom. You want to go back one step here, and you want to find the notification folder, click it, and then click Move here. Now, when you do that, you can go back into your settings with the sounds, click on notification sounds, and you should see at the top, it moved that track into your notification sounds, and you're good to go. Anyways, a little bit of an extra step right there for notification sounds, but what are you going to do? I would like to wrap things up doing a little gameplay with the S24, playing some Killer Instinct. So hope you guys enjoy it. You could also get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on updates as well directly by checking out some links below in the description. For now, let's run it. Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.